Welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In our last video, we explored Python dictionaries and how they store data as key-value pairs. Now, we're going to learn about another fundamental data structure, sets. Unlike lists and dictionaries, sets store unique elements in an unordered collection, making them useful for eliminating duplicates and performing mathematical set operations. Let's dive in. A Python set is a collection of unique, unordered items. This means sets automatically remove duplicates, making them useful for handling distinct data values. Unlike lists and dictionaries, which are ordered, sets do not guarantee a specific order. Sets can be created using curly braces, or the set function. Now, let's see how to create sets in Python. To create a set, you can use curly braces, and place elements inside them. If duplicate values are provided, Python automatically removes them, ensuring all elements are unique. However, to create an empty set, you must use the set function because using alone creates an empty dictionary. Now, let's move on to some common set operations. Since sets are mutable, you can add or remove elements dynamically. Use the add method to insert new elements and the remove method to delete existing ones. If you try to remove an element that doesn't exist, Python will throw an error. To avoid this, you can use the discard method, which removes an element only if it exists. Now, let's explore some key operations that make sets powerful. One of the biggest advantages of sets is their built-in support for mathematical operations. The union operation combines two sets and removes duplicates. The intersection and operation finds common elements between sets. The difference operation returns elements in one set that are not in another. These operations are extremely useful for filtering and comparing data. Sets also provide quick ways to check if an element exists using the in keyword. This is faster than checking membership in a list. You can also use the len function to find out how many unique items are in a set. These operations are useful when dealing with large datasets. A common use case for sets is removing duplicates from a list. By converting a list to a set, duplicate values are automatically eliminated. This is useful when processing large amounts of data where uniqueness is required, such as filtering duplicate entries in a database. Now that we've seen how sets work, let's discuss when to use them. Sets are perfect when you need a collection of unique elements. They are also faster than lists for checking whether an item exists. Additionally, if you need to perform operations like unions or intersections, sets provide built-in support, making them a great choice over lists or tuples. To summarize, sets are an essential data structure in Python. They store unique, unordered elements, making them perfect for filtering out duplicates. They also provide fast membership testing and efficient set operations like union and intersection. Mastering sets will help you write more efficient Python programs.
For more videos, please visit the channel and go to respective playlist. And please subscribe the channel for more content, and to encourage us, please like the video.